Hi, everybody. Rick Bray with the Plick team. And a little while back, Google and Microsoft decided they were going to try to play nicely in the sandbox together. And while on one hand that sounds like a great thing, it made troubleshooting documents a little bit tougher. Let me show you what I mean by bringing up a document here. Now, this is just a Word document that I pulled into Google. Everything's fine. But what we're hearing from some teachers is that, like, hey, I'm missing some options, some things aren't available. Well, if you look at the name, to the right of the name, there's a little blue box that says .doc. That's indicating that even though I'm in Google and the icon over here looks like a Google Drive icon, a Google document icon, this is really still a Microsoft document, and it's treating it as such. And in the magic of post-production, I might be able to show you here that the same thing happens for slides and for sheets, is that it gives that colored square with the Microsoft file extension. That's kind of indicating that something's not quite right. So what do I do? Well, in all the cases, you can click on File, and then you'll see under the File option is the Save as Google Docs. And again, Slides and Sheets has the same option, Save as whatever. And when I click on that, it's going to convert the file into the Google equivalent and open it in a new tab. Now, you'll notice the first thing is the little blue DOC is gone here because it's now a Google Doc. It's not considered a Microsoft document. Problem number two is it names it the same thing, and it's not the easiest to tell the difference. So you may want to rename this file, call it something different, new, whatever you want to do. But now you have the tools like maybe, I don't know, what was I thinking of? Translate document, right? I can now take and translate this document using Google's translation. If I have an English language learning family or English language learning student, maybe I want to do that. And things like Slides, the extensions, the add-ons become available. So again, just a way to take Microsoft documents from being like the sneaky Microsoft where you don't get all the features in Google to being full on Google Documents by clicking File and then, let me go back to the other one. File and then Save as Google Docs. If it doesn't say that, it's already a Google file. So there you go. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You're welcome to subscribe to this channel and get notifications so that when new content like this video is posted, you know about it. And as always, thanks for watching.